Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my.
What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a snow day vlog, so I'm just going to be bringing you along with my day. My face is frozen and I haven't seen snow like this since I lived in Virginia, and it was like 2010.
No power.
But yeah, I'm gonna just be bringing. Look at our footsteps.
Wow.
I'm just gonna be bringing y'all along with my full beautiful snow day. We don't even get snow like this down here, so I don't really know how to react. I got the snow all over my eyelashes.
Serious it is around here these times of the year.
Look at her, she was her own fucking hand in it. Ah! I regret that.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just here about to grab a couple things. I don't know really what we're grabbing. Probably something to eat. This headband keeps falling over my... I got my chicken double.
So, we out here in the Carolinas, the dirty Carolinas, and we don't get that snow like this out here, so this some new shit for us.
I know, right?
But it ain't new. I just ain't seen it like this in about 20 plus years for myself. Oh shit.
Hold on, let me unzip this one.
Yeah, that's the issue probably. And then that big ass fucking hair.
My head cold. There we go.
That shit in the jacket.
Ooh, just tuck this way so I got the scarf on.
I'm fucking weak. See,
Damn, I ain't get no chips.
y'all so many ways of
Damn warm.
hair and limbs. I feel bad. I got my shit tucked in too. And I'm gonna be on Fortnite while she doing that. So Rapid Ants Lion 924. I'll recorrect that later on when I get to the house.
Mm-hmm.
We get some matches in before the power go out. With us getting this weird snow like this, I think they really trying to keep that Leviathan frozen.
Yeah, definitely.
They trying to keep it frozen.
The Leviathan. It was defrosting. That's why they turned the temperature down.
Yeah, so go to the heart program.
We made an angel.
It's so pretty out here with his crazy ass making snow angels. One more, Amy.
All right, y'all, it is snowing right now. Huh? Okay, go ahead. Throw it at me. Do it. Oh, shoot. Hold on, I can't see. Oh, what the heck going on over here? Woo. But yeah, the whole fam bam is out. What the heck is going on, bro? Okay, I don't know what's going on right now. Hopefully that don't happen again. But yeah, the whole fam bam is out here. Just playing in the snow. I'm gonna set the phone up so that y'all can see us in our little snow fight. Hey. Uh-oh. Ready? Go! Oh! No. Oh. It hit me right in the mouth. What in the world? All right, but yeah, I'm about to get in this. So I'm about to put this phone down.
We've been done long before it all began. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it the reasons why we both can't lay here. And secrets, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game, you know. We both can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight,
No, turn around, look at it. Wait, you gotta look the other way. No, that's this way.
'cause all I wanna do is with you. Even though it's on July, with you. We've become numb to what we know is no one knows but us. The feelings rush every single time we touch. Even though it's what we want, can't keep these up. No. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why we both can't make it. And secrets, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game we know. We both can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is send a pussy boy to meet my ancestors. Put up on the block is hot flaming Chester. Yes, sir. I just flew a bitch in from Manchester. They took me to jail, I should've smacked the rester. I'm about the car flexing like Sylvester. No, sir. No, sir. Bitches put up in an I-8 roaster. Sure, cost too much, told that bitch no, sir. Ain't no fucking crying on my fucking shoulder. $100 steak and I don't like the texture.
They're not really rushing our ass out.
For real, they were ready to go.
Yeah, they was like,
They said they want you to get stuck.
at first they was like, we about to close, and they said we closing, come to the front.
What? Like, I'm gonna say, I ain't finished shopping.
You about to keep announcing this shit.
And then I think she heard me too, because I had said something smart.
We get up there, the manager told us, look, if they ain't got it, they just gonna have to leave up out of here without it. I was like, damn. Glad I decided to listen and bring my ass on up here. Everything you need right now.
Right.
You know that bitch gonna dip your ass back. In the hammock chilling.
No cold, just feel straight. Oh, shit.
Ah,
Yeah, that flame. That flame.
That
That bit coming over here, so.
fire. That's fire. That's what it's doing.
I can't get comfortable in this hammock. Oh, look at the lighting. Period. I tried it. I tried it. That bitch. Hot boy. But yeah, y'all, this is the chill out spot. We created this little like dome like thingy-mabobber, super cool. We got a hammock in here so you could chill by the fire. But this fire a little too hot, that's why everybody's standing back. Alright, y'all, so this is Bonfire Part 2. We made a rocket stove. We inside of a shed.
Oh yeah, this the lounge.
We call it the lounge.
We in the lounge. We from outside to inside, but we still outside, G.
Yeah, we got the door closed. It's only one door on the shed, but I'm finna take the feet out the shoes so I can warm my toes up. Look at his feet. Know his toes cold. Your foot?
Oh, like 4 pair of socks.
Yeah, that's where I went wrong. I got one little pair of footies on.
Loud extra. Loud extra.